The stock market is unpredictable, and today, we're seeing a significant drop in metal stocks. What could be causing it? We'll explain in this video. Metal stocks have been dropping sharply on the stock market today. But why? Could tariffs, trade wars, or economic slowdowns be to blame? In this video, we'll explore what's causing metal stocks to fall and provide an overview of what metal stocks are. We'll also look at an example of how the market can affect metal stocks and how you as an investor can protect yourself against such drops. We'll start by looking at what metal stocks are. Metal stocks refer to investments in companies that either mine, process, or distribute metals like copper and aluminum. These companies are often on the stock market and can be bought and sold just like any other stock. Now, let's look at what could be causing metal stocks to fall today. Tariffs imposed by the U.S. government have caused prices of metals like aluminum to rise, making it more expensive for metal-producing companies to operate. Trade wars with other countries have also caused metal prices to fluctuate, making it difficult for metal-producing companies to predict when they can sell their products. Finally, the global economic slowdown has made people more hesitant to invest in risky stocks like metal stocks, leading them to look for safer investments. To illustrate how these factors affect metal stocks, let's look at an example from last year. In 2018, metal prices were falling due to a slowing Chinese economy and oversupply of steel in Europe. This had a direct effect on many companies that dealt with metals, as their profits were cut significantly due to the falling prices of metals on the market. Finally, let's discuss how you can protect yourself from drops in metal stocks should they occur again in the future. The best way is to diversify your portfolio so that if there is a drop in one type of stock you own, it won't affect your entire portfolio too much. Additionally, be sure to do research before investing and take into account current economic trends so you can make informed decisions about which stocks might go up.